everyone, today I'm going to show you how I put some dry shampoo in my hair. I only do this when I have straight hair because usually my hair is just curly and I don't wash my hair every week when my hair is straight because it's too much heat on my hair and it takes a lot of time to straighten my hair. So when I do, I keep them like that for at least 2 weeks, and to be honest, today it's day 12 and I'm probably not gonna wash my hair for another week. Yes. Anyway, so today I'm gonna put some dry shampoo. This is a great way to extend your wash day, and also since I work out 3 to 4 times per week, my scalp get itchy really fast. So dry shampoo is like my best friend in the winter because I straighten my hair often, and as I said, I don't wash them 1 time per week as I do when I have my curly hair. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to use the dry shampoo of Très Aimé. I think this is a new one. This is not what I'm used to put in my hair, but it's usually the same brand. So I'm pretty sure it's still going to work the same. It's not really complicated. Like, you just put it on your scalp, comb your hair, and then you feel like you just wash your hair, or at least almost wash your hair. So there's a step on the bottle. I'm just gonna show you what I do, and yeah. Usually when I'm at home and I'm doing homework or whatever, I just put my hair in a bun like this. When I sleep or work out, it's the same thing. It's just easy and fast. So for 12 days my hair looks still good. So I'm just gonna detangle it like this. And my scalp, it's a bit dirty, but it's more like dry scalp, dry skin that I have. And with the dry shampoo, usually it helps. My roots are a little bit tangled in reverse, and it's normal since I work out. Usually, even after like the first day, my hair already reversed a little bit on my roots. So I just separate my hair in two like this. Tangle it. Then you have to shake the bottle and you just spray it on the scalp, not too close. I think it's what is the 8 to 10 inches
spray it on lip section. Wait.
So 8 to 10 inches on from your scalp. So I'm just gonna do this, and it smells really good. So you really feel like you wash your hair. I put a lot, then I separate into section like this. And another on the other side. Then I do the same in the front. So as you can see, it's white, but once I'm gonna comb it and like massage it in my scalp, it's not gonna be white at all. I separate this section in half like this, and this is the last step before I really like comb my hair. You just have to massage massage your roots like this. The same way you will do when you wash your hair in the shower. You just do the same. And if I feel like there's some part on my scalp that is more itchy, sometimes I just put a little bit more like this and massage. Then I usually take my brush and really make sure I brush everything. So this is it. I'm gonna be honest, sometimes I still able to see a little bit of white on my black roots, but it's like not a lot. And usually after I comb my hair, I put some product on them, I'm not able to see any white like mark or where I put the dry shampoo. So I'm just gonna put some serum on my hair, put some pink curls, and then I'll show you after what my hair looks like. Okay, so I leave the pink curl only for 2 hours, so this is why it's not really curly. I only wanted some wave on my hair. So this is the result. My scalp is clear and I feel like it's clean again, and I can just wear my hair for another week or more if you want. But this is my result. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching. But